The load-safe portable truck barrier is a versatile fall arrest system that can be rapidly deployed on any truck utilizing conventional tie-down rails. With load-safe portable truck barrier, you can effectively reduce the hazards associated with working at heights during loading and unloading operations. Each panel requires 2 self-locking brackets, which can be effortlessly positioned onto the tie-down rails. Once the panels are securely placed into the brackets, the entire system becomes locked in place. The brackets cannot be removed without first removing the panels, providing an added layer of safety and security. The load-safe portable truck barrier also features an aluminium rail that can be easily adjusted to suit different truck models. This compatibility factor enhances the versatility of the system, allowing it to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. A notable feature of the load-safe portable truck barrier is its flat pack design, which significantly reduces freight costs and ensures minimal assembly requirements. With all necessary fixings provided and pre-drilled holes, installation is quick and easy.